What's up guys, it's Clouder from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to automatically add a discount coupon to your WordPress WooCommerce store into a simple, fast, effective and totally free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, how to access WordPress dashboard, your domain plus WP admin or WP login, enter with username, email and password. After, I'm gonna start this video assuming that you already have WooCommerce products and WooCommerce store set up on your WordPress website. In the case that you don't know how to add products, create WooCommerce, install WooCommerce, go to YouTube and search for Visual Modo WooCommerce. You're gonna be able to find our playlist full of tutorials explaining everything that you need in order to turn your WordPress website into a real e-commerce machine, okay? After, go to your WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over plugins. Hit the submenu Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner of our screen, into Search Plugins, there is an empty field. You're gonna click and type Smart Coupons, just like this. And install this plugin right here, Smart Coupons for WooCommerce coupons, okay? Click on Activate. After clicking on Install Now, you're gonna be redirected to the plugins list, a list where you can see all the present plugins on our site. Nothing to worry. Scroll down just a little bit, review the left sidebar of menus, and you're gonna be able to find a new menu called Smart Coupons. Hover mouse over it and click on Add Coupon. You're gonna be able to see the WordPress WooCommerce way to add coupons. Enter the coupon name, coupon description. Now, discount type, fix it, I like percentage discounts, and I would like to give 5% discount for every single purchase of my store, okay? It's a promotion. So, scroll down, you can enter with the coupon start date, the coupon end date, which is really important, okay? Then, there is an empty field called Apply Coupon Automatically. Enable to apply coupon automatically without applying code. By default, it works up to 5 recent created coupons. So, select this option. Display coupon in account, checkout or cart. Up to you. I would like to display the coupon code into the checkout and into the cart, okay? But, once again, it's all up to you. You can make it display into the 3 pages. After this made, all we'll have to do is review the upper right corner of our screen, hit the publish to publish our coupon code. Now, if you're on the store, add the coupon to the cart. As you can see, I added the product and the coupon has been added automatically. If I go to the view cart, we have the coupon already appearing. So, really nice, simple and effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Visual Modo portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!